Hey guys, quick video on how to replace your blade on your rope cutting gun. Replacement part 79911 for our rope cutting gun. First thing we want to do is make sure the gun is unplugged so it doesn't burn you or get triggered automatically while you're changing it and potentially harm yourself. So we'll unplug the gun. Next, check the blade is not hot from prior usage to potentially burn yourself, which it is not. Used it about 2 minutes ago and the blade has cooled down. Requires a Phillips screwdriver here. Just go ahead and lefty-loosey, pretty straightforward, fairly easy. Slide it back in there. You push it all the way back, it stops itself. That's where you want it to be. And then, yep, righty-tighty. Not going anywhere. And boom, brand new blade. In case you're unable to remove the residue from your old blade, or you just want to upgrade to a new blade for cleaner cuts.